We're in Atlanta right now. We're on Anton Street. We're about to drive to Rochester. What's that, 14 hours?
Yeah, like 15, 16.
15, 16 hours, right? You get in your car. You're driving. You get to West Virginia. Are you in Rochester?
Hell no.
Do you say to yourself, I'm not in Rochester yet. You know what? Let me go back home.
Let me figure out another way to get to Rochester.
Right.
You don't say that. You know the direction. If I just keep going this way, I'm going to get to Rochester. Like, period. Like, that's just how it works. But in our businesses, we get to West Virginia. We're like, oh, we're not in Rochester. Let me go back home. Then you go back home. Then you're like, I still want to go to Rochester. So then you get back in the car. You start driving again. And you're like, in North Carolina, I'm not in Rochester. Let me go back home. It doesn't make sense. Because once you know where you're going, you know the end point destination. All I got to do is just keep going. I just got to keep pushing in that direction. Push a little gas in that direction.